Welcome to the Callen Telehealth review. Find links to the platform and services below. Callen connects you with board-certified doctors, offering healthcare from home. Perfect for quick, convenient medical consultations, Callen lets you skip the in-person visit. Whether you need treatment for minor illnesses, prescriptions, or general advice, Callen provides a reliable solution in just a few clicks. Simply create an account, complete a health questionnaire, and connect with a doctor via secure video. Discuss symptoms, ask questions, and receive prescriptions, all within minutes. Callen addresses various conditions, from cold and flu symptoms and allergies to skin issues and mental health concerns like anxiety and depression. Callen's flexibility lets you access consultations anytime, ideal for busy schedules or immediate needs. The affordable subscription model offers monthly or annual plans with unlimited access to doctors and no extra consultation fees. This makes Callen perfect for families or individuals seeking ongoing, affordable access to healthcare professionals. Callen is especially helpful for those with time constraints, living in rural areas, or simply wanting to avoid the hassle of traditional doctor visits. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive services make it a convenient and accessible healthcare option. Learn more and sign up using the links below. Callen, affordable, on-demand consultations with a doctor right at your fingertips.